Oh wait, hold on. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's funny. Huh. Hmm. Hmm. What's up, Silver Days? Welcome to the live stream. Can you take a look at Urine Finance? Oh my gosh, I haven't had somebody request that in ages. Sucking proof token mount. You got it. Let me look at Urine because I haven't looked at Urine in a while. Wi-Fi. No, it's not Wi-Fi. Wait, it is Wi-Fi. Yeah. Yeah, this thing is very bearish. I mean, the last time that we looked at this, the price was the price floored at 3,000, and even before then, you unfortunately couldn't get through this area of resistance, and you ended up breaking down, making lower lows. So right now, the same thing is in play. However, we do have to move our fib so that it does coincide with the low. And you have resistance overhead 5,600 to 9,700. So not necessarily saying it's going to happen, but you can still come back up to either of these points and then get smacked back down. So obviously traders that are buying now are going to be taking profits at these areas, which is going to be around 120 to 270%. But holders need to break this area to then call for a reversal. And that's when we can start taking a look at a bullish reversal, not just a retracement, and then we can start taking a look at the macro targets on the upside. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. Yo, Krista, welcome. Yeah, man, my internet yesterday or last night was bugging out. I don't know why. Yo, nice. Dude, nice find. Look at oh, I guess it's down a lot, but thanks. This is gonna get some good views. Succulent. I don't even know how to say that. Yeah, I mean, this thing had a really nice move. You had a 70% move in one day, so congratulations to whoever bought. Keep in mind, you actually respected this macro area of resistance between 37 cents and 51 cents. So you actually had price action go to these levels and get stuck, and now you're getting rejected. You had a wick up here, you got stuck at resistance here, and now you're getting sent back down. So, I mean, if you're trading this, congratulations, because you did hit over 70%, but if you're holding it, then you do need to break this area of resistance and see some sort of follow through and uptrend forming in order to invalidate this downtrend and break out of this channel. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. Silver days in the house, man. I gotta get some water because it's too hot. Give me a second. So today says monad. No, wait, monad or monad? Wait, is monad going up again? Monad. Yeah. Just in case, let me check. You said monad. I'm assuming you meant monad. Yeah, you meant monad. Yeah, monad is going up, but just be careful. Yeah, you're still, I guess you are still respecting this floor, so you are putting in a bottom here, which is good because once we turn bullish again, you'll have another attempt at breaking this area of resistance between 4 cents and 7 cents 90. And so far so good. I mean, if you're trading it, you really, I mean, there's plenty of upside potential. But this move was big, man. This was 72%. So this is yeah, this is doing pretty good. What I do like about this is that it did establish a bottom, so it actually established a floor, and now you're getting a reversal. So JY Adventures, I knew it, man. It's up 72%, and JY Adventures is back, man. Hey, welcome back to the channel, man. We missed you. Whenever anybody asks about monad, and I'm like, hey, where's JY's Adventure? Because I remember you had it, and I think you took profits, and then we talked about major capitulation, and I think you sold it, and maybe you might be in still, but I know we talked about every single level, so I hope you're doing well, man. I hope you're doing good. Love the content, Meow. Same to you. Yeah, hey, man. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's awesome. I'm here every day after 5 p.m. for an hour at least until we turn bullish. And then when we turn bullish, then I'll definitely be staying on longer because obviously the entire sentiment's going to change and there's going to be a lot more people in here. Yeah, we have like 11 people in here right now. We're peaking at around 20, 21. Excuse me, which isn't bad, especially for it to be, especially while it's bearish. But I think that it's going to definitely be fun when a lot of us are making money, and when we actually have a lot more engagement and a lot more people in here. But I guess until then, we just have to wait to see where BTC is headed and if we're actually going to get alt season or some sort of moves on alts. Yeah, right now BTC is still stuck in resistance. So Reserve Rights, oldie but a goodie. Reserve Rights is on Coinbase. Yeah, it's up 11%. But it's down, I guess it's only down 50%, but it's down 77% from the last year. Yeah, wow. Yeah, it's on Coinbase. Pretty good liquidity. 455 out of 1,000, that's not bad. Yeah, I mean, RSR has long ways to go. Yeah, RSR has long ways to go in order for the chart to flip bullish. You're still bearish under 2028, which that itself from the current price is going to be around another 50% to 137, 31% move to the upside. You could still get stuck here in validating this downtrend. So you do need to break this area for any sort of reversal or continuation to the upside. So not financial advice, just my opinion. But so far, so good. But that's all it is. I mean, this is really just a dead cat bounce. You know, it's the coin ended up dropping 86% in like a couple months. So it also went back down to its all-time lows. I don't know if it actually put in an all-time low. No, it didn't put in an all-time low yet, but it's very close to it. It's very close to its all-time low. So when that happens, it's not really bullish, unfortunately. Ether, new coin, right? This is a new coin. I'm gonna come out with like a new product. That would be sick, man. Like, ooh, vitamins for crypto people. Are you tired of looking at your phone and looking at HODL? Here, take this vitamin crypto for your crypto fix. I don't know, some goofy like that. That's pretty funny. That would be pretty funny. Ouch. Ether's down a lot, but it's far from all-time high, right? You guys get that? ATH? You guys get that, right? ATH. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I mean, same here, right? Just a dead cat bounce. I mean, it's a 78% move. That is pretty big given that you did buy the bottom. But you're down 93% from October, so I'm not even going to use the wick it came out at. Let's just use this area. You still have resistance overhead at 2.97 to 1 cent 50. So you can still even come back up to these levels, get stuck, and get rejected. So you do need to as a holder, you need to break this area for any sort of reversal and uptrend forming. But if you're trading it, then theoretically, I mean, 78% is pretty good. But if you're waiting for more, then obviously, like, I get it. You need to break this area of resistance. So, not financial advice, just my opinion. LOL, meow. I'll take 2. That's funny. Yeah, I got to think of something. I got to figure out like the automation and everything of it, but also I have to like figure it out. I just have to figure it out because yeah, I have to figure it out. Yeah, because fuck, like what the? That's crazy. Because otherwise, I'm gonna lose my mind. It's funny. My wife and I were like super big on fitness and health, right? So I was talking to her about this, and who gave me the idea was actually Triple T about CMOS. But I'm not doing CMOS. But I'm like, hey, I'm like talking to my wife. I'm like, yo, like we should really be capitalizing on like in incorporating like fitness and wellness into what we're doing. With her, it's a little bit different because of her industry. It'll be kind of easy to incorporate that. With me, obviously, I have a 9 to 5 sort of deal, so it's not like I can really, hey, guys, you guys want some vitamins? Like no, but it would be like it would have to coincide with crypto. So I just have to figure out that like bridge. That way, I can kind of automate the entire thing, and just put it up on like my on my YouTube because I'm already fully partnered. And I also have I also have the shopping partnership with YouTube, so it's like that would be ideal. But it's like, okay, so like, how am I going to incorporate something with that? So that's the bridge that I need to fill. Because once you build it out, it'll be pretty easy, and it'll just mostly be like marketing and, oh, this is what it does, blah blah blah. Like, you know, give it a try. If you don't like it, whatever, man. I got you $20. It's a $20 lesson for sugar pills. Let's see. Josh, welcome. Yeah, crypto pills. Seriously. Hey, you can have Bitcoin. Exactly. It's like, oh yeah, like it'll be named after like crypto. Like, hey, you want Bitcoin? Here, take your Bitcoin pills, and maybe Bitcoin will go up today. Imagine that, dude. That's hilarious, man. Going hard on this next leg down. What's up, Josh Tag? Are you in a short? Did you actually start a short? Did you start a short? I mean, we're in resistance right now. Maybe we go to 72. Maybe we retest 72, okay? Just FYI, 72 might be in place. 72.4. What's up, Fast Willie Jackson? Welcome to the live stream. Welcome. We're 20 minutes in. We have around 17 bogeys in the chat. That's not bad. Welcome, everybody. I hope everyone had a great Tuesday. Yeah, I hope everyone had a great Tuesday. Or, sorry, it's Wednesday. Yeah. Yeah, I hope everyone had a great Wednesday. Wow. Dwayne Kelly says update on Tao. Welcome to the live stream, Dwayne Kelly. Thank you so much for the membership. I really appreciate that, man. Thank you. Bittenser. Yeah, so Tao. So here, let me delete this. Yeah, so Tao, let me delete this too. You got a clear break from, I think that's the 618, right? Let me see. Yeah, so you had a clear break from the 618 here. So the next target on the shorter time frame right now, as long as it stays over 329, I don't know how much longer. Just be careful because I don't know how much longer it can stay at these levels. But you might just get one final blow off top, which is possible. That's going to trap a lot of people because people are going to be like, oh my god, it's going to go up forever, and it doesn't. So just be careful with that too. The next target is 413 on the upside. And then on the downside, it needs to stay over 329. As long as it stays over 329, then you're going to get correction, consolidation, resetting on the RSI, and getting ready for the next move up, which hopefully breaks this downtrend, breaks 413, and then we can start taking a look at the next level up, which in this case will be around $522. But I'm not going to do that yet because it obviously hasn't happened yet, okay? So we're going to leave it here and say around 411, 412, around that area is the next target as of right now for BitTensor, given that it stays over $330. Not financial advice, just my opinion. What's up, Fast Willie Jackson? Good morning, bro. Trust me. What's up, man? Trust you with what? Should I buy BTC right now? Is that what you're saying? No, just simple DCA. Okay. Oh yeah, me too. I'm gonna finally be excited to throw on my Robinhood here, and show you guys when I buy BTC and how much I buy, and then my thoughts and my reasons behind. Hey, I'm gonna buy $1,000 of BTC right now because even though I know it hasn't bottomed yet, I'm gonna have the opportunity to sell it because I know that temporarily we're gonna be at a bottom, right? So I'm not at that point yet. I mean, we've been talking about this since the last time I dollar cost averaged. Remember, we made videos on it. So if you guys follow it, the last time we dollar cost average was here, was in November, and that's when I made my first or my second I'm buying BTC now video, and here's why. Because the daily RSI is extremely oversold. And then also on the weekly, we actually hit oversold. So if you guys remember back here, we hit oversold here. So that's when I bought it. So, I mean, it was only like $100. So I have like or it was however much it was, 0.002. I have a very 0.002 right now. It's like $140. So it wasn't that much, but I was making it for the content. But I'm saying, obviously, I'm not going to put $1,000 in up here because I knew that we were going to go down, just like how I know, at least I think, that it's going to go even like another leg down and further down, right? So then it's like, okay, but now it's like the next level down. So instead of putting hundreds, I'll put in thousands, and then down here it'll be even more. It'll be like $1,500 or $2,000 or however much I'm willing to lose, basically. Which I know that I'm not going to lose a lot because like obviously we're going to get some sort of bounce, and it's Bitcoin. So we know that Bitcoin does eventually go up, and it's not an altcoin. So Floofin, welcome Floofin. Welcome to the 25-minute mark of the live stream. We got around 20 bogeys in here. It's pretty good. Well, it's pretty good for it being very bearish. So I'm happy that we have around 20 people in here. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really do appreciate it. Because just think about it, man. If we're this bearish and we got 20 people in here, just remember those times where we were bullish and we had 40 to 60 people in here. It's just super nice. So it's just very nice to have people. It's very nice to have people. No, I said moringa. You were talking about a health nut, so I am. Okay, got it. I thought you said morning, bro. Okay, dude, that's funny. Okay, so moringa. What is this? Moringa. Let me Google it. Moringa. Alright, it's a plant. It's also known as a tree of life or miracle tree, classified as an important herbal plant due to its immense medical and non-medicinal. Is this weed? Wait, hold on. Fast-growing, drought resistance, blah, blah, blah. Hold on. Moringa benefits and side effects. All right, let's see. Key benefits: rich nutrients. Leaves are packed with fiber, iron, zinc, and vitamins. Nice. Anti-inflammatory, which is good. Blood sugar management. That's really good. Leaves can help lower blood sugar, which I need because I like sugar. And improve insulin sensitivity, supporting diabetes management. That's good. Cholesterol reduction. I don't think I have high cholesterol. Improve digestion and weight management. Okay. Potential side effects: digestive discomfort. Excessive consumption of powders or leaves can lead to stomach cramps, diarrhea, and nausea due to laxative properties. Medication interaction. Okay, so if you take medicine, then it could interact with that. Pregnancy concerns. Luckily, I'm not pregnant. Toxicity risks. While leaves are safe, avoid consuming barks or roots which contain toxic alkaloids. Okay, so it's not really anything that is too bad unless you're pregnant or you're taking medicine or you're eating the roots. That's not bad. That's pretty good, man. Yo, Eclexi, welcome to the live stream. It seems like you're new, man. Hello there. I just joined recently. This channel is such a gem. I love the live videos. Yo, hey, thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. And welcome to the channel. Feel free to always interact and engage, and let me know if any coins that you want me to look at for you. And for the most part, I just go down the list and I try to get as many coins as I can, and I try to look at all of your guys' coins. Okay, so just feel free to let me know if there are any coins that you want me to look at for you. Just don't send me a list of like 30 different coins. But yeah, anyways, and welcome to the channel. Bajorda Beck, welcome, man. It's the 25th of March. You know what that means? 2 + 5 is 7. I was born on the 7th. Do you know what that means? That means lucky number 7. Dwayne Kelly says, update PYR beam. Let's see if PYR is doing anything. I hope it is. No, it's not doing anything. Let me see, though. Did it even break anything or no? Damn, it's so bearish. Yeah, so unfortunately for PYR, it's not doing anything. The price is being extremely suppressed. You're on 90 to 193% away from resistance. So just like with Bitinzer, you could still come back up to these levels. You could even go as high as $1.63, which at that point, then we'll take a look at the macro time frame. But very important because these are all key areas of resistance. So you're going to have the opportunity to say, hey, I'm done with Beam, or hey, I'm going to hold it and I'm going to risk it for the biscuit. So, but right now there's nothing is different with Beam with PYR, because it's just at its low, and I don't know where it's going to go, right? It's just at its all-time low, right? It just probably recorded its all-time low. So yeah, it's 6 minutes ago, man. Literally 6 minutes ago, when you were in the live stream, when I started the live stream, it just recorded its all-time. Wait, it looks like it's pumping though. Wait, what? Oh, 6 months ago. Sorry, dude. I thought I'm an idiot, man. Sorry, I'm not an idiot, but it's 6 months ago. That's insane. Okay, sorry. Very close to its all-time low though, but I don't know how much lower it can go. And then Beam for you, man. I think Beam is on the same boat. Yeah, so I think Beam is doing the same thing, unfortunately. So Beam is still breaking down, and with Beam, I think you are putting in all-time lows. So there's nothing's changed. Yeah, three days ago for Beam. So unfortunately, on the shorter time frame, which will leave it, given that we get some sort of miraculous cap bounce, you do have the opportunity to probably get out at, conservatively speaking, and if you're not risking it for the biscuit, around this area of resistance at 2026 and 34. That's given that we get a bounce from here, which isn't guaranteed. 50 to around 86% move to the upside. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Thank you for the welcome. You're welcome. Promise has lower. Promise of stress has lower. Yo, Fast Willie Jackson for 5 beams. First super chat of the night. Let's go. The light comes on. We got the super chats rolling, so the light has to come on, man. Eventually, when I change the setup, it's gonna look a lot different because I'll have an actual room that I could dedicate just to put my computer and streaming in. So it's gonna look a lot different. It's gonna be a lot more professional because obviously right now the pooper's in the back. You got the AC blowing. You got a freaking Christmas tree in the middle of April or March. So yeah. A lot of stuff is gonna change. Hopefully, in the next I guess 12 months. But yeah, in the next 12 months. I know that sounds like it's very far out, but you have to plan out that far ahead. But yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait for the layout to change. That's going to be sick. That's going to be sick. And yo, thank you so much for the $5, man. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. First super chat of the night. Bajornabek says Emma lucky number is first number from month and last in your year. So 929 92 lucky number. Don't know why it said Emma. Might be your first entry. 3, 25, 26 Europe style, but still the same 36 lucky number. Got it. Promise of Stress says swing high. That's what I learned. Yo, free lightning for 3 beans. Thank you so much for the super chat. Second super chat of the night. Let's go. Thank you, man. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Glad to catch you live. What's up, everyone? Yeah. Are you still in Swiftcoin? Do you want me to look at Swiftcoin? Oh, it's not doing anything. Okay, so your price is still suppressed, but you're over 27, so you're good on Swiftcoin. And you still have overhead resistance at 57 to 85. So your lucky number is, I don't have a lucky number. I don't believe in that garbage. No, I'm just joking. My lucky number is 7. That's my lucky number because even though it didn't work out for me last 2 times, when I go on cruises, I put $20 on number 7, and I've done that 4 times. So I guess that's $80, but I've done that 4 times, and I've gotten it twice so far. So I put 20 on 7, and then I put 20 on 29, which is my wife's lucky number, and I got my number once, and then she got her number once, and then the next 2 times we just lost 80. So 2020, 2020. So yeah, 80 total. But that's the thing to do. Like when you go, it's like, hey, is it gonna be a good night, or are we out? Oh, okay. Let's just put 20 on number 7, 20 on number 29, and if we win, then we have money to play with. But if not, it's it's $40, and we just call it. We don't need to stay there. Thanks, Meow. I'm good on Swiftcoin is stable. Just tuning in and listening on any updates. Yeah, we're looking at a lot of coins right now. A lot of coin requests coming in, so it's pretty nice to have content to work with. I still can't believe Siren is still going, man. I should have been making Siren videos because, man, this thing is like, look at this. Like what? Bro, this thing is freaking crazy. This would have gotten me so many views and so much money. Probably like $20 a video, but unfortunately I didn't capitalize on it. Bajornabek says, you do it right, that's how we use it, but you play on 8 days, and 28 those days you gamble. Oh yeah, dude, there's no, I wouldn't be able to know. See, the thing is that, like, when we plan our vacations and our like, I'm not gonna, like, it either sometimes lands on those days or whatever. We just do it, like, it's just very impulsively, like, oh hey, we're gonna go to the casino, and let's just, like, you know, let's just throw some numbers on the roulette table and see if we hit. Hold on, give me 1 second. Let's see. We got 22 bogeys in here. Let's go. Stream is poppin'. My wife is 7 and 8. She gambled on 8th and won first 11K, and 2 hours later won. What? That's $11,000, man. That's insane. How much is she betting? Like, what are you one of those? Is she one of those people that bets like $10 or $25 a spin? Whoa, man, that's way too rich, man. I'm at the penny. I'll stick with the 88-cent bets. I'll stick with the 88-cent bets, and I'll just like hit it once, and then we'll wait for like the drinks to come by. We're like, oh, okay. Can we get another? That's how normal people live? Yeah, normal people get $11,000 and 2 hours later they win $9,000, man. That's crazy. Promise of Stress says I'm 99% sure Low is locked in. If my name is Low, then I'm 99% sure I'm also locked in. Yeah, well, let's look at the crypto bubbles. Let's see what the health of the overall crypto market is doing. Oh my gosh, man. I really should make a video on this, man, because I feel like I'm missing out on the ad revenue for Siren. So let me look it up, because like it's just too good to pass up on this opportunity. Like, wow. It's a wrong coin. Yeah, it's a wrong coin though, right? Or did this coin just come out? This one came out February. Yeah. Yeah, but why does this look different? Oh, you know what? That's why. It's because of that. Okay. Yo, this actually made millionaires. So congratulations, whoever bought this. Yeah, you got over 100. You actually got over 100x. So congratulations to whoever bought Siren. Feel free to super chat or send Venmo. Let's see. I'm 99. Oh, I read that. It did a 1, 2, 3, 4, but didn't break last week's high, and it's so low. So today is 25, 3, 26. So it equals 11. So what does that mean? Does that mean today is good? Today, what does that mean, Bajornabek? Tell us. You are the key master here. Let's see. Yeah, I gotta make a video on Siren. Taking a look at Siren on the live stream. So first of all, congratulations to whoever bought Siren, because this is life-changing money, and you're looking at over 100x from the low. So first and foremost, congratulations. That's awesome. Second of all, you already got some sort of pullback here. So you did over 100x, but you did respect this area of support. So like we always say, given that it's extremely overbought and you just had a massive move, typically if you do come down and retest the 236382, which in this case was 82 cents to $1.60, if you do manage to hold this level and then break overhead resistance, which was previously support, which in this case was $1.60, then you are looking at a continuation. So with that being said, if this thing is not making a lower high and validating some sort of downtrend that we don't know that's forming yet, then there's no reason why the higher high isn't in play right now, which the next higher high in price discovery is going to be, so you already tagged the 2618, it would be $12.98. That is the next target, as long as we stay over this box. So that I want to emphasize, you need to stay over here. So we already came down and retested this box, okay? So as long as you come down, and even if you're validating this downtrend, if you manage to still consolidate and stay over this level, once we turn bullish again, the next target on the upside is $13. If this if this area of support breaks, we will get a bigger move down and this will come back down. So at that point, we'll take a look at the next areas of support. With that being said, I will keep you updated. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bam! That's going to be $10. Let's see. Is there a lot of uncertainty in the market right now? Absolutely, Free Lightning. Yes. Wait, hold on. Woo! Oh, shit. It's fucking amazing. Oh, wow. Oh. 42 minutes, 18 minutes, nice. Okay. All right, let's read the chats. We got 22 bogeys in here. That's not bad. We got 23 bogeys in here. That's really good, guys. That is really good, man. Viewers are going back up. What is this? Meme core? See, I would make a video on meme core, but I just feel like Siren's gonna take the spotlight. All right, let's see. Today's there's a lot of uncertainty, but today's a 28 energy. Expect big money moves today. Expect to be sensitive. You all dream more today. Expect big money moves today. Yeah, that's great, man. I have to learn astrology. Sorry, numerology, because I feel like then I'll have some stuff to. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but anyway, it definitely sounds interesting. Yeah, because my wife is into astrology. But you said, Bajornabek, you said that astrology isn't the same as numerology and that they go head to head, right? But why can't you have both? Why can't you have both numerology and astrology? All right, Wednesday is USA, so 3-day equals more talking, and you want to talk more today. I like to talk all the time, man. I just can't shut up. Definitely more anger today. I'm seeing that for sure. From where? My response is, I know who. Bajornabek says, apply numerology when you wake up and you know exactly what day is today, and you can get a grip on emotions. That's funny. I'm one step ahead of my emotions. But also, the thing is, it's funny because it's like, yeah, if someone's like, oh, you're angry, it's like, yeah, you don't think I know that? Oh, you're right. Oh, yeah, you're right. I look angry and I'm angry. So you saying that is going to help me. Thank you. Do you just not like seeing me angry? Right? Well, I'm sorry. It's something that we can't help, right? I don't want to have this conversation right now, but I'm having it anyway. So now it's like, now we have common grounds because now we're both talking about something that we can't control. Anyway, today marked would normally pump crazy base 11 and 22. Yo, Duchess, welcome. Did you know that the cat in Aristocats, Marie's mom, her name is Duchess? Did you guys know that? I know that because I have a white cat. Okay, can you take a look at Zcash and Bitcoin Cash? Yes, I can. Yeah, so for Zcash, we don't need to change the chart right now because you're still respecting this area of support. So for Zcash, we said you need to stay over $172. As long as you stay over 172, you're going to get consolidation. And eventually, once you break this downtrend that's forming, we could start taking a look at the targets on the upside, which technically is still up to $2,600 for Zcash. What you don't want to see is coming up, making a lower high like you did last time, and validating this downtrend. Because if this does stay intact and you do break 172, I would say that the top is in, and you are going to get a bigger capitulation back down to $36 to $69, unfortunately. So, no, I'm not saying you can't get bounces along the way. I'm just saying that overall that won't be bullish. But still, right now, it is still macro bullish. And then for Bitcoin Cash, I think it's still the same. Yeah, for Bitcoin Cash, this thing is so macro bullish, and it's still holding its critical area of support between 321 and 434, 434 around this area. So the same like Zcash, as long as it stays over this area, you are looking at keeping this uptrend and the targets on the upside, which in this case is $891 and $1,600, which coincides with the 2021 cycle high. But at any point, if you do break this area of support that we have drawn, then expect a bigger move down eventually to 140 to 197. Again, you can't have bounces along the way, but you need, but you will break down, in my opinion, if you do break 321 on the downside. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Let's manifest. I talked to guys in the chat because it is in the name, Man I Fest, not Woman I Fest. Oh my gosh, I did not say that, dude. That's so funny. Let's manifest. I talked to the guys in the chat because it is in the name, Man I Fest. What you trying to say? You're trying to say that men make it happen? Whoa, Bajornebek. Whoa, I did not say that. That's funny. Just some other live streams today. The chat was fired up. For what? How come we can't get any of that drama in here? I'm sure that'll help boost the algorithm. We got around 20 bogeys in here right now. I'm sure that'll boost the algorithm. 20. Hold on, let me do some math really quick. 7. Ooh, that is a lot. Okay, let's see. Astrology is basically how you feel about stuff. Yeah, exactly, and that's why I feel like women are more emotional, right? So I feel like it makes sense. It makes sense for my wife to know and really like astrology because she's very sensitive about everything. So she uses her intuition and her sensitivity. Should be a swing high at least off that. Promise of stress. What, you think 891 and 1600? Thanks, bro. Fingers crossed. Yeah, I hope so, Duchess. I hope so, man. We build the world we think we work. We get. That is manifestation. Yes, sir. Lejournebec. Ooh, Tau is still going up for Dwayne Kelly. Let's go. Hey, how are the meme coins doing? How is what's the name? Sneck doing? Oh, I don't even want to look at that. Let's look at Billy. Yeah, Billy's not doing anything either. Used car, maybe? Nope. Okay. Never mind. Scratch that. Let's look at the next coins. A lot of coins are having nice moves. Oh, yeah. Like Silver Day said, Monad. Damn. Yeah, she is 11. She is old soul. I'm gonna tell my wife you said that. I'm gonna tell my wife you called her old. Babe, you hear that? You're old. You're an old soul. You're 11, but that means that you're so hot you break the scale. That means you're not even a 10 out of 10. You're an 11 out of 10. See that? You're right, Bajornebek. My wife is an 11 out of 10. Oh, she says, I have known I was an old soul since I was like 10. What? You knew you were an old soul since you were 10? Okay. Alright, let's see. Everybody is nice in here though, Days, so I'm nice too. I just match energy. Look at Zcash. It's founded on the 28th. Look at Zcash. It's founded on the 28th. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, what the hell? Was it founded on the 28th? Let's see. Yeah, it was founded. It was founded October 28th at $4,200. What a scam, bro. Imagine buying it at $4,000. Oh my gosh, man. What was the volume on that? 2.3 million only? Wow. All-time high, obviously. Oh, whoa, what is this? USDJ. Oh yeah, this is just like some sort of bug. Yeah, this is like, yeah, this is just bugged out. It's actually not, I've looked at that before. Yo, Aloe, are you here? Pippin is still going down. Aloe, are you here? Is Aloe here? You gotta say Aloe 3 times and Aloe will show up. Yo, Pippin is still going down. Oh my gosh, man. This is nasty. Yo, this is so nasty. Look at this. Literally 80 cents and now it's 5 cents because they just listed it. Oh my gosh, man. What an ultimate rug pull. That's shaking my head, man. Shaking my head. SMH. Ask your wife how many people come to her life, blah, blah, blah. Buy a 28 life plan, same as Elon Musk. Sup, Aloe. Oh, what's up, Aloe? Welcome to the end of the live stream. Yo, whoa, Aloe's here. That's crazy. Actually, that's insane. I literally just said Aloe and you showed up, man. That's crazy. What a weirdo. Yeah, welcome to the live stream, man. I really appreciate you coming by. And yeah, it's 54 minutes in. I do have to actually go at 1 hour today, so just FYI. Oh, Numeraire. Yeah, this thing's cooked too. Yeah. Oh man. Let's see. BSB? Yeah, like what is this garbage? It's up 101% in 1 day. Alright, let's see. Pepe is going to explode. Hold on, let me look at BSB really quick because I don't even know what the heck this garbage is. Yeah, Block Street. Oh, wow, look at this. It just undid. I guess this just came out, so never mind. Maybe I should make a video on this. Let me see. Is this it? Actually, I'm not going to make a video on this. Did you show, did your wife show herself on stream or something? What did I miss all these days? Oh, no, nothing. No, she didn't show herself on live stream. Sometimes she walks by and stuff, but never, like, interacts with the live stream. We were talking about numerology. And we were talking about numerology, and I was telling Bajornabek about how my wife's into astrology. So that's what we were talking about earlier. Snapchat also making a turnaround, is it? Wait, is it? No, it's no, come on, really? Yo, people need to buy Snapchat. Imagine buying Snapchat right now. You think? Oh my god, yeah, dude. Imagine if Snapchat wait, can I buy it on Robinhood? I don't know if I am, but how is the dividend payouts? Snap? Let me see. Oh my god, this is like, what a garbage chart though, man. Let me look at their dividend yield, nothing. Dude, this thing is a really bad stock. A lot of interest right now for some reason. It is actually it is a little bit profitable. -5, damn, man. Yo, actually, that's not, like, this is a huge gamble play. Snapchat is a huge gamble play right now. Yeah, I don't know, man. Buy 100 Snapchats for, like, 100 Snapchat for, like, $400. And if it goes back up to $70, that's like $7,000, man. Yeah, that's not bad. What about, I mean, at that point, why not just buy AMC, right? Like, what's AMC doing? Yeah, what's oh my god, AMC is at $1, man. This thing is, yeah, this thing is absolutely cooked. Wow, man, this thing is so cooked. Oh my gosh, man. Yeah, AMC is literally about to be on the penny sheets. Yeah, AMC is about to be on the penny sheets. That's insane. Wow. Wow. Okay, well, let me read the chat. Thoughts on XCN short term. Also, let's see. Better off looking at CMC trending than these weird ass inaccurate bubbles. Free Lightning says, "Oh, I was gone for some days." I'm like, "What's going on?" No, we're just talking about numerology and astrology. I was tempted to buy SMCI. I think it has more upside for like a 3x. SMCI. And then what was the other one? The other one was XCN short term. Yeah, so we make weekly update videos on XCN. Short term, I still, like, it already did this, so I don't know if it's going to come back up, make a lower high, and still validate this downtrend. But what's good is, like, you're establishing a base here over 41, and you still have resistance overhead at 74 to 1. So it could theoretically still crack another attempt at breaking this area of resistance, which is 36 to 99%, around 100% away. But keep in mind, you can still hit those levels and still validate this downtrend. So if you're looking at a short term, maybe buy now and sell at 30 to 100% pump. But if you're holding past that, then good luck, because you have a lot of area resistance to break. So I think BTC will go up today to 72,000. That's crazy for AMC. Dude, that's crazy for AMC, man. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, it's at 99 cents, guys. Like, this is so bad. Like, wow, man. Wow, it's just unbelievable. Unbelievable, man. Like, this is so bad. This is actually a gamble. Like, this is no different than a gamble stock. than a gamble coin. Let's see. We've been live for over an hour now. Wow. Yeah, I have to go. Damn, we got a lot of people in here too. That's good. 20 bogeys in here. SMCI is a stock. Here, let me close this crypto bubbles before Aloe freaks out. Oh my god, what the heck is up with this? What is this? Super microcomputers? Are you talking about getting into a short-term trade, or... Man, I feel like you had all this time to buy while it was accumulating, and then it had a massive run. Yeah, it accumulated since 2007 to 2022, and then it had a massive run from $3 to... Oh my gosh, man. You had a 36x. Wow. Who, if you remember 2012, the movie? I remember that movie. Yeah, they diluted it and reverse split it to 10-1. Oh my god. I've seen the movie 2012. My son was born in 2012, though. We, as dads, will face the worst fear. Yeah, short term. I mean, what are you going to sell at? I guess you could theoretically sell it at $25 to $30, given that we are putting in some sort of, like... I mean, yeah, you should have bought when we were extremely oversold here. That would have been nice, because you would have still been up right now. If you bought the low, you would have been up 22% already. Damn. If you had came here on the 23rd and looked at it, we would have like seen that. But I mean, it doesn't mean that it has to stop here. You could still go like, it still has a lot of juice left. So yeah, I hope your trade ends up working out, man. I really do. It's awesome. Look at Hawaii. 2 suns heat up the world. Look at the weather all over the world. This year will be record high heat ever. This is the age of Aquarius. Can't hide, can't run. That sounds like a song. Can't ride, can't hide, can't run. You're sucking the life out of everything that's fun. Let's see. Alrighty. Yeah, I think, yeah, we've been live for over an hour now. So, Elon talked about leave Earth for a reason. Bajornabek is on a heater today. Yeah, man. He's like, hey, have you ever seen that movie, Wandering Earth? It's like a Chinese movie. You guys, please tell me you've seen the movie Wandering Earth. It is such a good movie. It's so corny, but it's so crazy. But it's a movie about the Earth, and the sun is basically expanding. And what they do is they built Earth engines around, and they stopped the rotation of Earth with these engines, and then they had they started like pushing the Earth away from the sun, and their goal is to travel 1,000 light years, so 1,000 or 2,500 years or whatever. They went underground, and it's to travel to 2,500 years into a new solar system with a new sun. And they're moving the Earth to this new sun, which is going to take 2,500 years, and they're pushing the Earth through this, like through our solar system, and trying to get it out. It's a really good movie. It's a Chinese movie though. But you could listen to it. You could put subtitles on. It's called Wandering Earth, like wander, like you wander around. Wandering Earth. anyways, you know, we have a lot of bogeys in here, which is awesome. But I do think I have to call the live stream now because I have to go do something. So I do appreciate all you guys coming by. I really do. Thank you so much for all the super chats. We had a couple of super chats in tonight, so I really greatly appreciate that. Thank you so much for the super chats. Thank you so much for the memberships and the subscribers. I really appreciate all of your support. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Have a great night. Have a great day tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your night, and I will be live again tomorrow, the same time. So Monday through Friday, the same time, around 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So hopefully I see everybody in tomorrow's live stream. If not, enjoy your day tomorrow.